I got a free upgrade from executive room to Deluxe Suite on the 23rd floor. Yo, the first toilet. Here's the living room and the big TV on the right, 2 desks. That's the minibar, safety box and fridge. Here is the bedroom with king size bed, another desk and big television, very large widescreen. The side tables, also side table, and that's the bathtub. This is the only room which equipped with bathtub in this Mövenpick facility, and that's the shower room, and this one is the toilet. Of course you got towels there. This is the cosmetic area with 2 sinks and big mirror, closets with bathrobe and pajamas, and this is connected to the main entrance on the right and living room on the left. Good morning, I'm having breakfast at their restaurant, Ginger Flower Restaurant. They have this kind of forest-like sitting area. And here at 717 Creamery, they have all the pastries, small cookies, ice creams. What's this? Bubur? Oh, porridge. Coffee machine. Now the main sitting area. Now it's a bit early morning, around 6:30 in the morning, so not so many guests are here now, which is good. All kind of juices, cereals. They call it healthy shot station, jamu station. Tea station. Another breads. Fruits. Salads maybe. And this is the made to order station, I guess. Another porridge. Oh, this is soup station. Mie goreng. nasi goreng, nasi rames. Oh, they have dim sum station too. Dim sum. Kind of dim sum. Fries, all kind of chips, egg station, pasta station, and sushi. Sitting area, and another sitting area here. Last but not least, or maybe this is the Indian station. Another soup station. Yup.